Welcome to this tutorial on how to create new module entries in Zoho CRM for new reviews in Google My Business. Guys, customer reviews play a crucial role for the success of any business, and with increasing importance of online presence, it has become crucial for businesses to track their online reviews and respond to them promptly. So here I'm going to show you an automation which is going to save the customer reviews as module entries inside Zoho CRM automatically so that you can further analyze those reviews and respond to them. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding super simply. So let's begin. To set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration tool. And this is the landing page. And I'm going to paste the same link in the description. So from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link. After that, sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, just click on this create workflow button to set up your workflow. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Google My Business Reviews in Zoho CRM. Alright, so after giving such names, you can click on create button and you will see your workflow page loading up like this. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with our automations are based on these two things only. So trigger is that event which start a workflow, and the action is the automated response or the consequence of the trigger. So in our use case, guys, here it will ask for to choose the trigger application. So here you have to choose two things, the trigger application and the trigger event. So in our use case, Google My Business is going to act as the trigger application, and getting a review in that is going to trigger this workflow. So that will be a trigger event. So select Google My Business. Okay, here you will find it, select it. Then select the trigger event as new review. Okay. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection. Then click on sign in with Google and it will bring you to this window. From here, you have to choose that Google account by which you have created your business listing on Google My Business. Okay, so select the account. Then you have to provide some additional access to your account. Just click on continue from here. That is completely safe. And you can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. So here it started showing you the name of your business account and your location. Okay, so this is my business account. Let me show you. Okay, you can see this is my business profile right here. And the same is appearing here. And the location is the same as well. Now by clicking on save and send test request button, you can get the details of a review, a random review from your Google My Business listing. Okay, so let us just click on save and send test request button. And here you can see we have received these details. You can see the update time, the star rating 5. Okay, the name of the person who have given us the review. This is the comment that we have replied to the review, and this is the review we get from the customer. Very good services, must visit once. And this is the time on which we get the review. So you can see this same review on my Google business profile as well. Here you can see the name of the customer, Gary Monroe. This is the review, very good services, must visit once. This is our reply. And here you can see the same got captured here. All right. So this is the name of the customer. So this is how we can capture the test data of any review. Now guys, I want to save this review as a module entry in Zoho CRM. So search for Zoho CRM here in the actions tab. Zoho CRM. Okay. Now we have to select the action event. So the action event or the automated consequence of the trigger would be to insert the record in any specific module. Select insert record option, then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Zoho CRM. So it will ask for your domain where your Zoho account belongs. So my Zoho account is here and it belongs to zoho.in domain. So I'm going to select it from here, zoho.in. Just put it here. Okay. Then click on save. Then it will ask to provide the access to your account. So just click on accept. That is completely safe. And you can see the authorization is successful. So we are connected and here it started asking for the module name. So here are all the modules we have in Zoho CRM. So I'm going to select task module to add this review inside the task module. Okay. Then you can select the layout of the task as a standard. Here you can provide the task owner's name. Here you can provide a subject. So let me type the subject as from Google My Business. This is the subject. Here you can provide a due date if you want. Here you can provide the who ID and the what ID. Alright, so here you can select the status as not started or deferred or in progress. So this actually, this review that we got is completed. So you can select completed or whatever you want. So I'm selecting not started. Okay, the priority is normal, created by, tag, notification email, modified by, remind at, created time. So we have many options here. You can fill all the things or you can leave the things if you want. I'm just going to show you the bare minimum things to create a module entry. And here I'm going to provide a description. So here I'm going to provide the description as review received from, and here you can see as I'm typing here, you can see in the drop down the previous step is appearing, the trigger step. So when you click here, you can see the details that you got from your My Business page from Google. Okay, so from here I'm going to map a few of the data that we want to transfer to Zoho CRM, like the name of the customer from whom we have received the review. So I'm going to map this display name. So okay, so it will appear review received from this person. And here I'm going to provide star rating that I have received. So I'm going to map the star rating from the first step only. This is the star rating. Okay. And the review. So let me map the review that we got. Okay, this is the review. And I'm going to type for my team now that please. Okay. This is the message that I want to provide to my team. So this is the task description will be created inside the task. Okay, now we can check our connection with Zoho CRM module by clicking on save and send test request button. So I'm going to click on save and send test request and a new task will be created here inside the tasks module of Zoho CRM. Let us check the connection. I'm clicking on save and send test request button. And this is the response we have received. The code is success. That means a new task is created. Let me show you that. Let me just filter. And here I have applied the filter as untouched records. And here you can see we got this new task here. A new review received from Google My Business. This is the subject. And when you open this task, you can read the description as well. Okay, here is the description, the subject. And this is the description. Review received from Gary Monroe. Star rating 5. Very good services. And must visit one. Please see the reply. Please see the review and the reply if needed. This is the same description I have entered here. You can see. And the same is received here inside the task. So this is how it is going to work, guys. You can see all other details. Priority is normal. And all the things that I have selected here is showing in the task. So that's how we can save the reviews as the module entries, and we are done setting up this automation. And you have to set up it only once. After that, you do not have to do anything manually in the workflow. You do not even have to open it. It will work silently in the background. And guys, in real time, whenever you are going to get a new review in Google My Business business listing, you can see the review inside the task module of your Zoho CRM. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description. you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.